Right, hi guys. Sunday morning. I don't normally work Sunday mornings, but I am this morning. I'm not in my uniform. I've just come out for an hour just to get this grass cut. So it's a big commercial area around the building which is in front of us there. And a couple of months ago, well, I've been doing this for about 2-3 months, and when I first started, I mow it with the bag off, so the clippings are dispersed, and it still looks neat. It never gets particularly long, and yeah, that's basically what I do. So it's continuous mowing rather than changing the bag regularly. So before, when I used my old gloves, which were just a bit of a generic pair, really gardening generic pair of gloves, I came home and my hands were still, vibrating, and they weren't particularly hurting or anything. And then in the next few days after, I was just getting a few little tingles and bits and pieces, and they're fine now. But what I did do after that visit was buy a good pair, and it's turned out to be a good pair. I've got them here, of anti-vibration gloves. Because obviously you read, and when you're working on tools and vibrating lawnmowers and trimmers, you've got to be careful, and it was something I've been a bit lax with. And I've got them here, and I'll put a link below in the description box, because when I do this now, I get nothing. They're really padded, you can see, obviously. These are really thick, and compared to what I was using, it's night and day. These are so good, and I use these every time I trim and mow. And it's, touch wood, they're fine, and when they kind of get battered and wear out, I'll just buy some more. Can't remember off the top of my head how much I paid, but as I say, the description will be below. There's really expensive pairs of anti-vibration gloves. I probably paid about 15-20 quid for these, which seems a lot for a pair of gloves, but believe me, if you're doing mowing and trimming, or if you're watching this and you're not a gardener, if you're working with other equipment, definitely for gardening, these are fantastic, and I recommend everyone watching this, if you haven't already got a pair, to buy them. Yeah, that's all I've got to say really. It's they're so good, and the wear and tear on your body, you've really got to look after yourself, and yeah, have fun with them. All right, thanks for watching guys. Check out the channel if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one hopefully. All right, cheers, bye.